Welcome back to my YouTube channel Nursing Notes. Today discuss about dilation and curettage. Definition: dilation and curettage is also known as dilation and evacuation. First one, definition: the operation consists of dilation of the cervix and evacuation of the products of conception from the uterine cavity. The operation may be performed. It is two in stage. One stage, dilation of the cervix and evacuation of the uterus are done in the same sitting. Stage second, first phase including slow dilation of the cervix and second phase including rapid dilation of the cervix. Image of dilation. Stage 1 operation. Indication: first, incomplete abortion कॉमनेस्ट होना चाहिए. इसके बाद सेकेंड, इनएविटेबल एबॉर्शन. थर्ड वन, मेडिकल टर्मिनेशन ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी 6 to 8 weeks only. एंड फोर्थ वन, hereditary form mole in the process of exudation. इसके बाद प्रोसीजर. Preliminaries. The steps of the followed are the mentioned are earlier. The patient is put under general anesthesia. Internal examination is done. Note the size and position of the uterus and state of dilation of the cervix. Step first. If the cervix is not sufficiently dilation of the admit the index finger, usually its should be dilated. Second stage operation. Indication: induction of first trimester abortion commonest. Second is missed abortion, uterus 8 to 10 weeks. Third, dehydration from mole with unfavorable cervix, long, fair and close OS to prevent damage of the cervix. During the rapid dilation, a second stage operation is, however, performed in such cases. Procedure: a first phase is consist of the introduction of the laminar stents or MgSO4 sponge into the cervical canal to effect the slow dilation. The same may be affected by an intravaginal injection of mesoporsal PGA1. After it has less side effect. Step of introduction of tent. The preliminaries to be followed are the mentioned earlier. The patient should empty bladder. Perform. No anesthesia is required. And third is appropriate size of number of the tent requirement are selected. The thread attached to one end are the tried roller gauze. Step first, internal examination is done to note the size and position of the uterus and state of the cervix. Second, posterior vaginal speculum is the included and assisting is asked holding it. The posterior lips of the cervix is grasped by ELISA forceps to state a cervical. Third one, the cervical canal may have to be dilated, especially in primary gravida by one or two smaller metal dilators included of the tents. Fourth one, the tents are included one after the other, holding it by the tent including forceps. The tents should be inserted at 4 cm so that the tips are placed behind the internal OS. The tent can be also included manually. And fifth and last one is the roller gauze is pack upper vaginal OS to prevent the disattachment of the tent. Procedure: the patient is kept back to the operation theatre usually after 12 hours. Patient should primaries. The steps of the follow are those previous method. The operation may be continued under intravenous diazepam, sedation, local pericranial back block or under general anesthesia.